Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our daily BTC update here on Trader AAG. I'm AAG, and today, we've got some exciting insights into the world of Bitcoin. This week, Bitcoin has been on a relatively stable path, but don't let that fool you. The entire cryptocurrency market is buzzing with anticipation, as we might be on the verge of a significant move in the world of BTC. As we observe the charts and market dynamics, it's evident that Bitcoin is at a crucial juncture. Traders and investors are bracing themselves for potential volatility ahead. In times like these, it's important to remember a golden rule in crypto trading: always use a stop loss. Protecting your investments should be a top priority, especially in uncertain times. So, what's the takeaway for today? Well, keep a close eye on Bitcoin in the coming days. A sudden choppy move could be around the corner, and having a well-thought-out strategy is key. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting in the crypto world, risk management and staying informed are your best allies. That's a wrap for today's BTC Daily update. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, it's not just about trading, it's about smart trading. Until next time, happy investing.